Once the Translate tool is connected and set up, you can come to a web page and you can select a word that you want to translate. A little translate icon will pop up. If you select that, you will see the word. It will show you the word, for example, in English as it's shown on the screen, but then it'll give you the translation. If you if you select the word and you right click, you will have the option of Google Translate, and it'll open in a new tab as well. And this can be used to translate larger sections of text. I'm going to return to the page. I can continue. If you notice, I did a phrase, I can select, and it will translate that phrase for me once I select that icon. If I am using a Google Doc, the extension for Google Translate works a little different. If I want to highlight and translate a word or phrase, if I right click, I don't have that same option. However, if you highlight the word, and you won't see the little icon there, if you highlight the word and come to the top into your extension toolbar, click on the extension, you can add and just translate that one word, or you can select and you can choose the option to translate the page. At that point, it will translate all of the text on the page instead of just that one word or phrase. If you want to return to the original, the button at the top will take you back to the original document. Still the same document, but it'll take you back to the original translation.